How to block a contact from calling or texting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, so click on keyboard. So after click on keyboard, click on this three dot icon. So after click on this three dot icon, click on settings. So now in call settings, scroll down and you will see block number is here. So click on block number. Now here, so scroll on and click on add phone number. Turn on this button. After turn on this button, click on. So if you want to unblock, so click on unblock number from here. So if you want to block contacts, so click on contacts. So you will see calling block number is here, so you will block contact from here and click on done. So after click on done, you will see block contact is here. So if you want to unblock, so click on this minus icon. So after click on this minus icon, you will see contact is unblocked. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can block our contacts from calling or texting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.